now what we're going to do is add a product. So go to products, add product, and it's very similar to making any other web page. So we'll type a name in there, and we're going to sell a phone. Right, so we want to put some text in here, so we'll just get a bit of placeholder text. Should have opened that up before, shouldn't I? There we go. All we want is some placeholder text. Right. So just paste from Word in there. Pretend that's a really interesting description we've written about our telephone that we're going to sell. Now we want to add a picture, but we're going to add it as a featured image. So click the button that says set featured image, then select it from your computer. We're going to have this one here. Click open. Then you can change things like the title, alt text, a description if you want to. But click the button here, the link that says save as, use as featured image. Then it says saving, then it says done, then it disappears, and we can close the box. Right, now what we're going to do is add to this product. We're going to be able to buy it in a red, blue or green. So if it was only one colour, we could leave that as simple product. Just fill this box in here and then click the save button up here, the publish button. But we're going to be able to choose from 3 different colours. So we're not going to have a simple product, we're going to have a variable product. Right, now we'll put in here the weight, because they're all the same weight. 1.4 kilos, dimensions is 22, 22 and 11 centimeters. Right, this where it says featured image, if you want to, some themes, we're not using a Woo theme, we're just using the 2011 WordPress theme. But if you're using one of WooCommerce themes, and you add it as a featured image, it will appear in a prominent place on your page. Right, so where did we get to? Oh, we've done that. So what we want to do now is add some attributes. So we've got to click the attributes tab and then click add. And we're going to call this colour. And we need to add some colours, so we add red, then a pipe character, green, then a pipe character, and then blue. Right, so now what we've got to do before we can do anything else is save the page. So we've set the general tab, we've set the attributes tab, then we must save the page, or publish the page, or at least save it as a draft, before we can move on to the next step. And the next step is adding variations. So we click the variations tab, then we click add variation, and then what we're going to do is set a price of £11. Now then, I've missed something on the previous one, so let's go back. That one, colour, we're okay there. General, okay there. Let's have a look. Ah, there we did. I forgot to tick this box. You've got to tick both boxes there. On the attributes tab, you've got to click both boxes. Forgot to do that. So we'll save that, make sure we've saved it. And then we can go back here, add our variations. So click add a variation. So click the variations tab, then click add variation. The price is going to be £11 for that one. And then where it says here, there's a little drop down box. We we can choose the colours. Now what I'll do, I'll change that to 14 because there's already one up here that we did on the last one. Right, so set that to 14 and then we'll choose that as the green one. The first one is £11, set the colour to red. So we've got red, we've got green, and now I want to add another variation, and this is going to be £16. So now I add the colour, which is blue. So we've got red, green and blue. What you've got to do when you're doing this, put the price in and the details and then choose the colour, because after you've chosen the colour or this attribute here, this box closes and it gets a bit confusing sometimes. So let's save that. And if we go back to that box, the dimensions have been put in now. When you do it originally, it just say 0, 0, 0 there, but after you've saved it, it will automatically be filled in. So to whatever you did on the general tab, it'll take it from the general tab and put it in here. Right, so that's that set up. Let's have a look at our page and see if it's worked, see if I've forgotten to tell you anything. So let's view our product. Right, here we are. Now it says from £11, but we can choose an option. So there's no price here yet. And we're going to choose a green one, and the green one's £14. The blue one will be £16. So we'll add it to our cart, and then we can view the cart, and then we can proceed to the checkout. Or we can choose, we set some shipping options if you remember. Oh, it's added the VAT for us, so we know it's the VAT is on. We set some shipping options. So if we added, say, gift wrap, it'll change the price. If we have free shipping, it'll take away the price. So let's choose that, then we'll proceed to checkout, and here we go. So I've got to type our details in there. I just haven't got time because we're nearly running out of time, but all you do is type your details in and place your order.